Hi, I'm Dan Fernback with MarineMax Huntington. We're standing here on the Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. First thing, this boat has a 300 Mercury Verado. And then we have a side entry. We have plenty of seating on this boat, so even aft facing and forward facing seats. And right here you can see this bracket that has a removable bow table right there, so you can place it at the bow or the stern. For fishing, this easily converts. Way more room and a lot more fishability. Large oversized seats, and by pulling this lever, you have a couple different configurations that you could choose from. Very large head. And then the helm is also very nice. You have a nice independent seat, thigh bolster, digital throttle and shift, and room for your GPS. And as you move forward, you can see loungers up at the front, the bow table, and a ton of storage underneath. For more information on this boat or any other boat at MarineMax, I'm Dan Fernback, 908-330-2727.